obviously, but I'm also going to on vacation at Gallenberg, so I won't be posting that much, but I want to show you that I have two pistols. Look. Yeah, so, see ya.